Hello everyone, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're waiting some time. After 2 or 3 minutes, then we will continue our today's session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we'll start our today's session. So I simply share my screen. Okay, so now can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so hi and welcome to the 7 days online training program on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis for beginners to advanced level. So basically, this course I will take the class for the 7 days, and each day I will provide you the 3 hours, and mainly 2 hours is provide you for the online training and 1 hours for your problem solving class.
What?
Okay, just a minute. Okay. Okay. So basically, this training will be taken for the total 7 days, and each day I will provide you the total 3 hours, and 2 hours for the online training program and 1 hours for your problem solving. And each class, when you finish, I also provide you the some assignment as well as also some homework. So you also try to finish all of the homework or assignment, and when you face any problem, we can discuss in our group, WhatsApp group, as well as we can also discuss about the next class. Okay, so only 1 hours for your problem solving class, and 2 hours I will provide you for the online training class. Okay, so let's go. So basically, first of all, I will try to discuss about the course module. Okay, so after completing the total 7 days online training program, what you will learn from me. Okay, so basically I will try to discuss about, in this time I work with the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so that's why I try to discuss all of the things for the Google Earth Engine, as well as we also try to, in this time we are using here the JavaScript programming language. So as a beginners who don't have any programming language such as JavaScript or Python, so that's why in this time I will try to teach you all of the JavaScript programming language syntax, so that you can easily learn the JavaScript programming language, as well as you can easily implement this knowledge in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, and we also try to discuss about the filtering and displaying the data. So because Google Earth Engine has a lot of data set and different types of remote sensing data set, so how we can easily filtering and displaying the data set, we also try to discuss about this data set. Such as we also try to discuss about that how can easily importing the raster and vector data on Google Earth Engine platform, then calculating with images and calculated the different types of indices, NDVI, NDWI, and all indices, any types of indices you can easily calculating in Google Earth Engine platform. And then we also try to discuss about the image classification. So lot of machine learning algorithm available for the image classification. We also try to show you the some supervised classification and supervised classification. We also try to use for the supervised classification random forest, as well as also use for the classification and regression trees and decision trees and other classifier we also try to use for when I want to talk about the image classification. I hope you can easily understand all of the details for the image classification. And we also try to make the land cover classification, then how to export the raster and vector data from the Google Earth Engine platform. So you can make a map, a land cover classification map, or NDVI map, or any types of map. We can just provide the analysis in Google Earth Engine platform. After this, you need to export this map as a raster format. Okay, then we can easily make the map layout or other things in the ArcMap software for our research paper or other things. Okay, then we also try to discuss about the how we can easily make the time series chart over different types of indices, NDVI, NWI, or other indices. How you can easily make the time series chart over a period of time, different types of monthly, yearly, as well as 7 days interval time series chart, 8-day interval time series chart. Okay, how you can easily make this. And then we also try to show you that spectral indices and develop the skill for calculating any index. So how you can easily calculate any index. It can be NDVI, NWI, VCI, TCI, or any types of index, how you can easily calculate it. Okay, we also try to discuss about that. And we also try to discuss about the some cloud marks when you want to work with the rainy season image or wet season images. Here you can find out the some cloud on the satellite images. Okay, but in Google Earth Engine platform, we are using the cloud marks function, and we can easily remove the cloud and haze from the satellite images and get the very clear satellite images. Okay, and we also try to discuss about the some DEM data or digital elevation model data, and how you can easily use the DEM data for making the hillshade map, slope map, and aspect map from Google, using the Google Earth Engine platform. We also try to discuss about this. And we also try to discuss about that how you can easily make the over a specific region. Suppose you want to need the for any specific region such as Bangladesh or Dhaka city, you want to make the NDVI chart over a period of time for the Dhaka city. Okay, so we also try to discuss about that. And then we also move to try to show you the some air quality monitoring, so using the Sentinel-5 satellite imagery. Okay, so how can easily make the air quality monitoring, or you can easily make the density map of nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, carbon monoxide. Okay, so all of the gases which is available in the Sentinel-5, we also try to discuss about that, how we can easily make the density map of air quality, different types of parameters. As well as we also try to discuss about that how we can easily download the air quality parameters time series data in CSV file format or Excel file. Okay, how you can easily download the air quality parameters data. And we also try to discuss about the how to make the land cover classification chart. Okay, so mainly this is the part of calculating the area. Okay, we also try to discuss about that how you can easily make the area and also make the chart. Okay, area chart. And we also try to discuss about the land surface temperature in Google Earth Engine platform. So basically we are using here the modis, as well as I also tried to show you that for the land satellite imagery, how you can easily make the land surface temperature monitoring using this platform. And then how to calculate the average, maximum, minimum NDVI in Google Earth Engine platform. So I use here the NDVI, but using the same process you can calculate it for the any types of index. For average, maximum and minimum calculate, you can easily do it. As well as we also try to show you that how you can easily add the legend on your map and title in your map in Google Earth Engine platform. And finally you can calculate the LOLC map area in Google Earth Engine platform. So basically this is our total 7 days online training program. And when you, in the meantime, I also provide you the 2 hours class, and when you face any problem, we also try to discuss for the 1 hour for talk about the problem solving class. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, do you have any experience using the Google Earth Engine platform before? Anyone have any experience? If have, you can share with me. Anyone any experience using the Google Earth Engine platform before?
Yes, I want to do little something, but
Yeah.
sometimes I cannot do.
Okay, so what's the
Because-
programming language are you using?
JavaScript.
Okay, good. Okay, anyone? Okay, so basically in this course I will try to focus only for the beginners who don't have anything about the Google Earth Engine platform, as well as who don't have any experience using the programming language before, so such as Python, JavaScript. So suppose if you don't have any experience using the programming language, I hope after completing the total 7 days online training program, you are able to do any types of remote sensing analysis using the Google Earth Engine platform very quickly and efficiently. Okay, so let's go. So basically today is our first day, and this first day course content mainly I will try to discuss about that introduction to Google Earth Engine platform. Then we also try to learn the basic principle of JavaScript syntax, because in this time I use here the JavaScript API code editor. Okay, so that's why, and it's the very easiest way to learn the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, mainly Google Earth Engine is supported 2 programming languages, Python and JavaScript. Okay, so in the as a beginners who want to learn the Google Earth Engine platform, I think JavaScript programming language or JavaScript API code editor, it is the very easiest way to learn the Google Earth Engine platform. So that's why as a beginners who don't have about any knowledge about the Google Earth Engine platform, JavaScript programming language, so I hope you can easily cover this part, and you can easily use the JavaScript programming language for doing the remote sensing analysis using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so we also try to discuss about the client and server object. So because Google Earth Engine is a totally server based platform. Okay, then we also try to discuss about that how you can get the server to execute your code. Okay, because Google Earth Engine is a totally server based platform. Okay, it has the when you use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any types of software, because it's a totally server based program. Okay, Google Earth Engine has its own server. Then we also try to discuss about the importing the raster and vector data from your local storage, as well as also Google Earth Engine dataset. And then filtering the attribute table, how you can easily filter the attribute table, we also try to discuss about this. And then we also try to show you the some band combination. So after adding the Landsat image or other Sentinel image, how you can easily use the different types of band combination, we also try to discuss. And import, filter, reduce, clip and display data in Google Earth Engine platform, we also try to discuss about this part. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, introduction to GEE. So basically in this time I try to discuss about the what's the Google Earth Engine, and what's the application of Google Earth Engine, how does the work, and what's the advantage of using the Google Earth Engine platform, and how you can start this tool. Okay, so basically what is GEE? So GEE, this is the short form of Google Earth Engine. So mainly Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. It's a cloud-based platform, so that's why you don't need to download any types of software. Okay, it's a totally cloud-based platform, and it accesses our 40 years of satellite imagery we can easily access. And when you use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any types of satellite imagery. We can easily access all of the satellite imagery from the Google Earth Engine data catalog. Okay, and you can easily upload your own data set to integrate with the publicly available data in Google Earth Engine platform, as well as you can easily apply the different types of algorithm to your data. And finally, you can easily export the image as a TIFF format. You can easily export the different types of time series chart. You can easily export the different types of satellite image. So anything you can easily export from the Google Earth Engine platform and use it for your research work or other types of work. You can easily use it. Okay. Yeah. An application. So application, it is a lot of application for the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so any types of remote sensing application we can easily do using this platform. Any types of remote sensing application. So here I mentioned some application such as detecting the deforestation. You can easily do for the detecting the deforestation, as well as we can also do for the classifying the land cover and land use mapping, and we also do for the estimating the forest biomass and carbon using this platform. We are also doing for the mapping the world's roadless areas, and assessment of the plant health status we can also do. We can also do for the air quality monitoring using this platform, as well as we can also do for the water quality monitoring using this platform. For the flood mapping and damage assessment we can also do using this platform. We also do for the drought monitoring, as well as burn severity mapping, and so on application we can easily do, as well as also do for the land surface temperature monitoring. So here I included some application, but we are doing any types of remote sensing analysis using this platform very quickly and efficiently than other software. Okay. Okay, and Google Earth Engine forecasts the society's biggest challenges. So it can be deforestation, drought, then climate change, then disaster, then diseases, global food security, then sustainability. And why this is important in this time? So in this time, when you want to work with the big data analysis using the Google Earth Engine other software such as ArcMap or QGIS, then it's not easy to weigh. Okay, but when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, it reduces your time to the analysis. Suppose you want to make the land use and land cover classification map for whole country boundary of Bangladesh using the ArcMap software or other software, QGIS software. So when you want to show the traditional way, first of all you need to download the satellite images from the different sources such as Earth Explorer or UGS website. You need to download. Okay, and you need to download the as a tiles. Okay, so all of the tiles you need to download from the different sources. Then you need to merge, and lot of way you need to put a lot of process you need to apply when you want to work with the ArcMap software for making the land use land cover classification map. But in this time, when you are using the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any types of satellite imagery. We can easily get all of the satellite imagery very quickly and efficiently, and we can easily make the for the whole country boundary of Bangladesh for land use land cover classification very quickly and efficiently. Okay, and you can use only for the one code, and you just need to change the training point. Using the same code you can easily get all of the land use land cover classification map. Just you need to change the training point. Suppose you make a code for the Bangladesh, but you can easily apply the same code in the India. Just you need to change the training point. Okay, then you can easily make the land use land cover classification map within a very few minutes or few seconds. Okay, because our code is already developed. Just I need to change my training point, then I can easily get this result very quickly and efficiently. Okay, so it first of all it reduces your time to the analysis. It can access the petabytes of data, and it's the Google computing power is the very fast. It has some new feature that will make analysis easier. Suppose you want to remove the cloud and haze from the satellite images very quickly and efficiently. Suppose when you want to work with the rainy season or wet season, then you can find a lot of cloud and haze from your satellite images. It has some feature. We can easily use this cloud max band function, and you can easily remove the cloud and haze from the satellite images. You can get the very clear condition of the satellite images in the rainy season or wet season. Okay, and it is a platform. It is a platform for the global data analysis, collaboration and installation by creating common platform for the global data analysis. We can easily compare the different data set from the different country using this platform. Okay, as well as it has also some advantage as well as also some disadvantage. Suppose but it has a lot of advantage. So first of all, you need to not download any types of software, any types of imagery. When you want to work with the remote sensing analysis, you need to download any types of satellite imagery. You don't need to download any types of software such as ArcMap or QGIS. You don't need to download any types of software. Okay, and it access up to petabytes of data or more on the way. You can easily work with the big data analysis using this platform, and it is the platform for the Google computing power is the very fast. Okay, so a lot of data set you can easily calculate it. We can get the fast analysis. Okay, And it has also some disadvantages that you need to know some programming knowledge. When you use the Google Earth Engine platform, you need to use the know some programming language. It can be Python or JavaScript. Okay, but in this time, who don't have any programming language, in this course I will provide you all of the details about the programming language, so that anyone can easily learn the programming and as well, and then apply this programming language for the remote sensing analysis through the Google Earth Engine platform. And it's depend on your internet connection. If your internet connection is the good, then you can get the result very quickly. Okay, and it primarily focused on the raster based imagery. Okay, and it has the lack of mature and detailed documentation, but in this course I will provide you all of the documentation so that you can easily learn the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so let's go. So how does the work? So basically Google Earth Engine, its software is the web processing or cloud computing. Okay, so mainly in this time we need to write the custom of code. You can write the code. This code send a message to the Earth Engine server. In a matter of second, this server send you response. Okay, so you can simply write the code in your code editor. This code send a message to the Earth Engine server. In a matter of second, this server send you response. Okay, and its software type is the web processing or cloud computing, as well as
Hello.
yeah. Any question, anyone?
Sorry for the interruption.
Yeah.
I have two short questions.
Yeah, you can ask me.
The first one is, will you provide the slides?
Yeah, you can also get the slide. Yeah.
Okay, and the second one is the session is what is called, like, recorded?
Yeah, recorded. Already I start the recorded, so that you can also, after completing this class, you can also get the recorded video class as well as also get the slide. Okay.
Thank you. Sorry for the interruption.
Okay. And this is the website. So this is the main website of earthengine.google.org. So this is the main website of the Google Earth Engine, as well as accessibility is the must be online. When you use the Google Earth Engine, you must be on need to the online connectivity in your PC or laptop. And requirement, when you use the Google Earth Engine platform, just you need to registration with your Google account. Okay, and just you can simply your valid Google account for the registration within a minute, or sometimes it also take the some 2 or 3 work days for the verification of the Google Earth Engine. So did you complete this part for the registration or not? Did you complete this part?
Yes.
Okay. So I also try to show you this procedure again, so that's why anyone have not completed this part, then you can easily follow the process. I hope you can easily get the Earth Engine code editor when you complete the registration. Okay, so let's go. And your computer system is the online when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, and its scope is the image processing and visualization, and it's work with the vector and raster data, both data set it will be work. So how you can start this tool? So first of all, you can simply go to this website earthengine.google.com, then simply click on the sign up button. After this, you can simply sign in, use your Google account. So if you have any professional email, it's also good. And suppose if you don't have any professional email, then you can easily use the normal email. Okay, so here you can see, here I use my normal email. Okay, but it also successfully registration with the Google Earth Engine code editor. So you can simply put your email, then put the password in your Google email, then it appeared a form like this. Okay, you can simply fill up this form. You can simply put your full name, your affiliation or institution type, then country, then what would you like to accomplish with Earth Engine. So it's a very important question. You did not give any one sentence in this question. Try to make the more than 5 or 10 sentence when you write the question answer. What would you like to accomplish with the Earth Engine? Try to give the answer 5 to 10 sentence for quickly verification, for quickly access. Okay, then simply write sign in here, also in here. So I am not robot, then click to the submit. Okay, then when you can check your email, then you can get the message like this. So welcome to Earth Engine. It means that now you have to access their code editor. Okay, now you can successfully registration with the Earth Engine code editor. Okay, so then you can simply click on the Earth Engine code editor. You can see, simply click to here. It appeared a link like this. So it appeared a link like this, code.earthengine.google.com. So it means that your registration is successfully completed. And when you can go to this link, this code editor appeared. So basically this code editor is the JavaScript API code editor. Okay, so we are using this code editor for make the Google Earth Engine write our code for the remote sensing analysis. Okay, so in this time I already registration with the Google Earth Engine account. So in this time I simply go to the this code editor link and then try to show you the all of the user interface of the Google Earth Engine code editor. Okay, so let's go. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I simply go to this link. There you can see. So this is the link. When you successfully registration with your email or Gmail, then you can simply go to this link. Then your code editor will appear. It you can see. So this is our code editor. So this code editor is called the JavaScript API code editor. So mainly in this code editor, we are using the JavaScript programming language for remote sensing analysis using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay. But when you want to work with the Python programming language, then you need to create the another IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. Okay, so another IDE you need to create, such as it can be Jupyter Notebook, it can be Google Colab, okay, or other environment you can easily create for using the Python. Okay, but in this code editor we can only write for the JavaScript programming. It's not supported the Python. So this code editor called the JavaScript API code editor. Okay, so now I try to discuss about the code editor user interface. So here you can see mainly this code editor we can divide it the total 5 panel. So it's called the left panel, it's the middle panel, and this is the right panel, and this is the it's called the map interactive view, and this is the search, place, and dataset. Okay, so first of all you can see in the right panel here the total 3 tab: inspector tab, console tab, and tasks tab. So first of all, inspector tab. What is the inspector tab? Mainly inspector tab is map querying result. Suppose you can simply add a map in here for the NDVI map. So now you want to check what is the NDVI value for any specific coordinate. You want to check it. So you can simply click on the inspector tab and click on this map. So now it's showing the what is the value for the specific coordinate. What is the value of the NDVI? So in this time I did not add any map. So it's showing the default. So default it's showing the longitude, latitude, zoom level, and scale. So here you can see when I click here I can get the longitude, latitude, zoom level, and scale. Okay. Okay, so this is the inspector tab is mainly working for the map querying result. Then console tab. So mainly console tab is printing your output. It can be print anything, any object, any chart, or anything it can be print. Suppose I simply use the print function. Print. Suppose I simply write the and click to the run. So run button, mainly it execute your code. You can see I get the result in the console tab. So mainly console tab is printing your output. Okay, so you just remember that console tab is mainly printing your output. Then tasks tab. So tasks tab is that. So mainly when you want to tasks tab is managing a long running task. Suppose you want to exporting or importing anything. It can be suppose you want to export a LOLC map of Dhaka city. You want to import a shape file. Then this tasks tab will be running, and when it will be completed, we can get the right sign like this in here. Okay. So when you face any problem, you can get the red alert. Okay. So mainly tasks tab is managing your long running tasks. Okay. As well as also you can see it's called left panel. Here you can see that total 3 tabs: skip tab, docs tab, and asset tab. So mainly skip tab is managing your all of the script which you already saved. So here I work with the different types of script and I can save it. So that's why I can easily use this script for my next or future work or any modification. I can easily work with this. Okay. Suppose you can see I already saved this code in here. I want to open this code, and now this code is added in my code editor. I can easily modify this code. Okay, as well as also for the another region use this code. Okay, so skip tab is mainly saving your all of the script which you saved. So here you can see this script I saved already in here. So here a lot of script I saved already in here for my future work or modify when I need some many types of work. I can simply open this code and write my code and modify this code according to my research work. As well as also you can see the docs tab. So mainly docs tab is provide you all of the documentation, such as when you want to work with the, suppose you can see Docs tab is mainly providing all of the Google Earth Engine function. So here you can see, here I can get, it's called the server function. Okay, as a beginners you don't know what is the function for EE list. As a beginners you don't know, so you can simply click to here and then click to here. You can see you can get the description about this function. So mainly we are using the function for constructs a new list. Okay, so I can get the guideline. Okay, so all of the function from the docs tab you can get the guideline. Okay, all of the function you can get the guideline, as well as also you can get the argument. Okay, so when you use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to you don't need to memorize anything, any function, anything you don't need to memorize, because docs tab provide you all of the things. Okay, you can get the documentation, also guideline, also get that argument of this function, and how you can easily use the argument. I also try to show you the later, just a minute. Also you can see, so mainly you just remember that docs tab provide you all of the documentation. Okay, as well as also you can see to asset tab. So mainly asset tab is mainly managing your asset which you uploaded. Okay, so which you uploaded, it managing your asset. So you can upload it the shape file, you can upload it the CSV file, you can upload it the different types of satellite imagery or tip images. You can easily upload it in your asset, and you can get the 250 gigabyte freely use for the asset. Okay, so here you can see, here I already imported a lot of asset in my here for my different type purpose of work. So you can easily import your shape file. How you can easily import the shape file, I also try to show you the later. In this time also you can say get link button. So mainly you can see this is the code. I want to share this code with you. So you can simply click on the get link button, and you can see it generate the link. Also you can see it also generate the link, same link also generate in here. So you can simply copy this link in here. Also you can simply click to copy this link in here. Then you can simply send this link. Then this person also access this code. Okay, suppose when I put you some assignment or other types of homework, you face the problem, you did not copy this code, and send me. You can just simply click on the get link button, then simply copy, click to copy link, then send me this code. Then I also access the code and try to find out the problem of this code. Okay, so when you face any problem, any code, you can just follow the process and send me the code. Then I easily check this code. Okay, then also you can see the save. So this code is I already saved, and this name is animation NDVI. Okay, so you can simply save. Suppose you can simply save as or save with description. So you can simply put the name, your file name, then simply okay, then this code is just saved under the skip tab. So anytime you can easily open this code and work with this. Okay, then run. When you can run, then it will be execute the code. So mainly this code we are writing for the making the animation NDVI map of Bangladesh between this time period. Okay, so anyone, you can, this is the GIF format. You can simply save this as a GIF format, as well as you can simply copy this link or open this link. Then anyone can go to this link and try watch this animation of the NDVI between this time period. Okay, 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 you can see the reset button. So reset mainly when you want to clear this map. Suppose you want to add the something map, NDVI map or other things, you add here the lot of layer in here. Also you can add here the different types of animation or other things you want to add in the console tab. So you want to clear all of the things, so you can simply click on the reset. So it clear your map, inspector, as well as also console. All of the things will be clear, you can see. Okay, then app step. So app step is mainly managing your web application. Suppose you create the web application for using the Google Earth Engine platform. So I also try to show you some my web application which I already created. So you can see, okay, so you can see I simply go to my gallery. So in this gallery you can see they also provide me a link. So this is my gallery link, so anyone can go to this link and try to get my all of my application which I already created. You can see, so this is my Earth Engine web application link. So this is my gallery link. So suppose you can simply try to, I try to some link. Suppose I can simply, you can see I open the some web application. Start over time period of Bangladesh, leaf area index, land use, land cover. Also you can see, okay, so I also open this, suppose water quality. So in this time I simply, you can see anyone can go to this link and try to access this web application. So it's working, just a minute. Okay, so mainly this web application, it's provide the trend inspection chart over a period of time for the enhanced vegetation index as well as also normalized difference vegetation index. Okay, suppose in this time I simply click on this map. Suppose I click on this map, you can see it will be showing me the what is the I can get the coordinate about this point. Okay, where I click, so I can get the coordinate as well as I also get the time series chart and also get the trend inspection chart. What is the condition for the NDVI? Okay, it's the high or low. We can easily find out from the chart. Suppose I click here, now I can get the coordinate as well as also get the what is the trend line. You can see also you can see trend line. Okay, as well as also you can see another web application. So mainly this web application provide you the time series chart of NDVI over a period of Bangladesh. So suppose anyone can click go to this link and then simply click to here. It provide the coordinate and what is the condition of the NDVI for this coordinate. We can get the time series chart in this here. We can easily download the time series chart as a CSV file format. You can see. So I simply click to here, then you can see I can simply download the data as a Excel file or CSV file format. I can easily download the PNG file format. When I click to here, now I can get the what is the condition for the lat long. I also get the time series chart. Okay, so you can easily get all of the time series chart for the NDVI for the whole country boundary of Bangladesh. As well as also you can see this is the leaf area index. So basically you can easily draw your region. Suppose I simply draw the region. Suppose this is my area of interest. I simply draw. And now what is the condition for this place, leaf area index? Okay, over a 20 years period of time. So it provide you the raster imagery as well as also generating the time series chart. Okay, as well as also you can see for the land use land cover classification map. So basically there is a nothing functional. We can get only for the visualization for identify the all of the feature very easily. Okay, as well as also you can see this is another task for the water quality monitoring. So basically in this time we are had the some slider as well as time slider, date slider. You can easily draw your ROI. You can select your value and submit, then it will be created the analysis. Suppose in this time this is the water body. I simply select my time period. Suppose I simply select the time period. Okay, I simply select the time period like this, and my in time I simply select the in time. Suppose okay, I select the time period. Suppose I draw the ROI. Suppose this is my region of interest. I simply draw this ROI. Okay, and then I simply select the value. Which value you want to calculate? You want to calculate the turbidity, chlorophyll, or total suspended solid. I want to calculate the turbidity. Simply click on the turbidity and submit. So now you can see it created the legend as well as also created the animation, what changing animation between this time period, as well as also created the time series chart. When the turbidity is the high and low, we can easily identify from this time series chart. You can see you can easily download the time series chart. You can simply click to here, and then you can see I can get the time series that look like this. I can simply download the CSV file format as well as also download the photo or PNG file format. I can easily download it in here. As well as suppose you want to calculate it the another thing, suppose chlorophyll, then simply click on the chlorophyll and click to the submit. So now you can get the chlorophyll index legend as well as also get the time series chart and also get the animation. It working. So some networking issue, it's also takes some time. Okay, so you can see I can get this animation and also get the time series chart when this chlorophyll, as well as I also try to check the total suspended solid of this water body, then simply click to the submit. So now I can easily get the total suspended solid milligram per liter unit, and I can easily find out. Okay, as well as also I can get the raster image, as well as I also get the time series chart when the total suspended solid is the high and low. Okay, I can get the time series chart in here, and you can simply download the time series chart easily. If you want, you can also download the TIFF format. Simply click here and save as a GIF format. Okay, so then you can easily save this. Okay, you can see GIF format. You can easily save this GIF format. Okay, so there are the lot of web application we can easily develop using the Google Earth Engine platform for remote sensing analysis. Okay, so mainly this is my apps. So apps is mainly managing your all of the web application using the Google Earth Engine platform. As well as also you can see it's called the map interactive view. Here we can get the two types of map you can see, and also you can get the satellite map in here. Okay, as well as we can easily, this is the hand tool for the moving the map. We can easily make the point, line, polygon is different types of vector format we can easily draw in using this tool. Okay, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so in this time also you can see the top of the code editor, it's called the search place and dataset. Okay, so you can easily search the any place or any dataset, simply write this dataset name, then it will be appeared. As well as you can see browse data catalog. When you want to show all of the data catalog in Earth Engine platform, simply click on the browse data catalog. It provide you all of the Earth Engine dataset. We can easily get all types dataset. Suppose you created your own dataset, now you want to import the dataset in the code editor. So you can simply click on the suggest a new dataset. Okay, then it you can easily add it your dataset. For anyone can use your own dataset which you created. Okay. Okay, so you can see I can get the Earth Engine dataset, all of the dataset, Landsat, Modis, Sentinel. Okay, so basically this is the Earth Engine code editor. So if you have any question or any doubt about this, you can ask me. Anyone any question? Anyone any question?
So I have a question about
Yeah.
the app development.
Yeah.
So like if I would be able to do this thing like after this course, maybe.
Yeah, I don't understand.
Okay, I'm repeating again that my question is like if I complete this training session and whole of your course content, so maybe if like can I do a app develop like something like
Okay, no. So in this time we are already I try to show you all of the course content which I discuss, and web application, this is our another web application. If you are interested to learn the Google Earth using the Google Earth Engine platform for the web application, then you can easily join our another advanced course for the web application. Okay, so in this time I try to show you all of the things, not only for the web application part.
Okay, so it's a totally different thing, like
yeah. So these are totally different part. Yeah. Okay, anyone any question? Okay. So I simply go to my next slide. Okay, so sharing script, we already discussed about that. When you want to share your script, you can simply click on the get link button, then simply copy this link, then anyone send the link, then anyone can easily access the code. Okay, in this time here I use the JavaScript programming language, so that's why I need to know some basic things or basic principle of JavaScript syntax, how it will be work. So let's go. I simply open my code editor and try to show you the JavaScript programming language, all of the things. So I simply open my code editor. I simply open a new code editor.